Hey y'all, how's it going? Hey YouTube. Today we're going to take a look at this Irwin VISE-GRIP wire stripper crimper cutter. Yeah, this is one of the this is a bestseller on Amazon right now. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Right. So this kind of wire stripper's been around for a long time. Very nice. Anyway, it looks like a exact copy of this old pair I have. This is from, I guess this is probably 30 years old, right? And made in the USA, see? This pair is brand new. Package says made in Taiwan, but yet it looks like an exact duplicate. The only difference I see, this cutter here is a little bit longer, right? This is a little bit reconfigured, so this one looks a little bit weaker to me, the newer one. The older one looks a bit heftier. Well, everything else is pretty much the same, even the markings, even though these are in there real good. These are just laser etched on there or whatever they are. And these are stamped in. So eventually these will wear off. These will never wear off. Okay. So let's see, they added a little hole there for a loop. To make a loop, right? So you could stick your wire in there and make a loop. That's pretty interesting. Hadn't noticed that before. All the cut wire strip sizes all seem to be the same. These seem to be an exact duplicate, but I bet this is a little bit thinner than this pair. I'd definitely say it's thinner, so this is going to be weaker. Everything's about the same, except for the thinness. This is a nice thick pair, see? Thin pair. Anyway, and they all have the screw cutting holes, right? Just don't put any hardened screws in these holes. Use them only for soft metal screws, regular screws. If they're black hardened, don't do it. It's going to ruin this fast, and then you won't be cutting any screws. And the ones that you do, well, they're not going to be right. So just use them for soft metal. See, they're basically for, like, stuff that is used as an electrician, the soft metal screws for switches or whatever. Anyway, the purpose of this is you screw it in this way and you cut it, and when you screw it out, it cleans the thread off for you. Anyway, so that's about it. This is the new VISE-GRIP model of the old Channelock model. And it feels pretty good. These handles are good. I'm sure they cut just like the other ones. It has a different nut on there though, see it? Almost the same. This just has a screw in it, and this one has a special screw in it. But anyway, I guess this pair cost me about $10 on Amazon. You can find them there, no problem. Just search for wire stripper. I'll leave a link down the bottom for you. And we'll see how that goes, huh? Anyway, these are the 8-inch model. It says Irwin lifetime guarantee. Since since they get them so cheap in Taiwan, they can offer that lifetime guarantee, right? It'll strip 10 to 22 AWG. Crimps insulated and non-insulated terminals, 10 to 22. Cuts bolts to size needed, leaving perfect lead thread. The blue and yellow color scheme is a trademark of Irwin. Interesting. Let's see if it has a model number. Irwin model number is 207-8309. 207-8309. Anyway, guys, if you're interested, you need a wire stripper, and you need for $10 you cannot go wrong with these. $10. Very good purchase. Even though I have another one, I can put one in my other toolbox. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.